Holy shit. Rick's running down now. Holy shit.
Hey, what's up, Power Family? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this sweet little hard drive. It's a Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive that I got strictly for the Xbox One because I need more space. My 500 gigabyte hard drive in the Xbox One is all filled up, and then my two 1 terabyte hard drives on the Xbox One are all filled up. So I needed to get another 1 terabyte hard drive connected to the Xbox One so I can download some of the new games that are coming out next year. Like Resident Evil 2. I want to play that game next year. It's coming out, so I can't wait to play that game. That game is going to be sweet, and I'm really looking forward to that game. So, I'm gonna do this unboxing right now. So, sit back, relax, enjoy today's video with the Power 99 FM. So, here we go. So, I got this Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive. I looked for it on Amazon, but Amazon did not have this specific brand sold by Easy Store. So I went to Best Buy to go look at the hard drives, and I was going to get one of these on Amazon, but I was looking at the hard drives on Best Buy, at Best Buy, and I found this at Best Buy for around $50. They did have hard drives there at Amazon for the same price, but I decided to buy this at Best Buy just so I can do an unboxing for you guys and get this without waiting 2 days for this to arrive, so I can get this out to you as soon as possible. I don't know if you guys have seen my 3 terabyte hard drive I did a while back. I got that. Didn't I get that at Walmart for $100? It was a 3 terabyte hard drive. I have that connected to my Dell XPS. Because I have Mac OS X on the Dell computer. So I have that connected to it as a time machine hard drive. So, and then I'm gonna get 2 more of these. One of them is two of these are going to be connected to the Xbox One S on my 2008 Mac Pro with my 4 screens, and then I'm gonna have another one of these connected to my Lenovo laptop so I can store pictures and videos and programs on one of these on my Lenovo 14-inch laptop. So that's 3 of them right there, and then this is the 4th one that's going to be connected to my Xbox One so I can download more games. So I might do one more unboxing of these, but I don't think I'm going to be doing 3 unboxings of the same hard drive. Maybe if they're different hard drives, I would do different unboxings, but I don't think I'm going to do 3 unboxings of the same hard drive. I might just do 1 more unboxing of these hard drive, but I don't think I'm going to do 3. But this will just be the same unboxing video. But I'll try to find different hard drives to do unboxings on, because this is my 3rd hard drive unboxing I did. I did a hard drive unboxing about 2 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. I did one on a 2 terabyte hard drive, I do believe. I do believe. I have that connected to my 2005 Gateway laptop running Windows Vista on. I'll try to put the link in the video so you can see that too. It's a very old video. It's about 3 or 4 years old. I believe it's about 3 years old or 4 years old. I know it's really old though. So the quality won't be that good, but it's on there. I'll try to find it and put the link in the description for you. So, yeah, this is the 1 TB hard drive. It works on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and Mac OS X, and it has it contains a USB portable hard drive and USB 3.0. It says Internet activation required. I don't know what that's all about. Maybe let me see. Automatic backup software to help restore your photos, documents, videos, music, and files. But I have everything on iTunes, so I use my Spotify. I don't really store music locally anymore. Except for my iTunes, but I don't use iTunes, I just use Spotify. But yeah, that's the boss right there. There's no more. So, this is the hard drive. Looking all nice and pretty. Right there. Oh. No more. It gives you some help right there if you need help. But I don't need that. And it comes with a technical support warranty information guide. Don't need that. It comes with a USB 3.0 cable right there. So that's pretty nice. I wonder how long that is. It's probably 3 feet. It'll be enough for the Xbox One. And then this is a hard drive right here. Man, this hard drive is tiny, man. Look at that. This hard drive is tiny. This is tiny as hell, man. Look at that. It fits in the palm of my hands. That's so tiny, man. Wow. I can break this thing. It has some information in the back. Right there. And then this is the front. Right here, it says Western Digital right there, and then it shows the single USB port right there, and that's it. You just plug the USB port into the hard drive like this. Let's see if I can get the cable out of the plastic backing. Yeah, see, this cable is short. This cable is probably, I don't have a measuring tape or ruler. It's probably at least 5 feet, probably 4 to 5 feet in length. But it will get the job done. So, that's all it needs to do. And then you plug plug the cable into the hard drive like so, and then you plug this USB 3.0 cable into your Xbox One, PS4, or laptop, or computer, and then you're good to go. So that's the unboxing right there, and you get this hard drive, this sweet little hard drive, and the USB cable, and you get a hello contact information right there, and then you get the warranty information right there, and then you get a box of candy like so. Hard drive right here. There you go. So that's what you get. So that's not too bad. I will be getting myself at least 3 more of these pretty soon. I'll do another unboxing of this when I do get it. So as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, guys, this is the Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace, Power family. Oh, and this is my new Lenovo cover for my 14-inch Lenovo laptop. Right there, I got that case to put my Lenovo 14-inch laptop inside that sweet Lenovo case. I got that on Amazon for $12. So that's sweet.